Trunks, listen. You need to take good care of your mother.
Take care of Mom? But you can do that too, right?
Are you feeling angry, humiliated? Is that it? Fool! You don't know how humiliation is! For the first time, Vegeta is fighting for someone other than himself. Controlling his own fate. You are a fool! I'm going to crush you and throw you into the wind! Trunks, Bulma, I do this for you. And yes, even for you, Kakarot. It is time to take back what is mine. I will not live my life as your second. That time is over. Every breath you take is an assault on my honor. But no more, Kakarot! By my hand, you will be cut down inch by inch, the way you have cut down my pride!
The only way is to kill the Supreme Kai. Yes, kill him, Vegeta! You can't afford to let him live, Vegeta! Kill him, Vegeta! Kill him!
I refuse! Your business with the Kai, it means nothing to me! an extinct warrior race. All civilizations once trembled at the sound of my name.
I can't believe it. What kind of strength allows a person to fight against and overpower their own enslaved body?
Yes, I think